In this video, we will learn about germination in some of the common seeds that we come across on a daily basis. The example that we have taken is bean seed, which is a typical dicotyledon seed. Now, as soon as we put the seed in soil, it will first absorb the water and swell, and the seed coat, which is dry, will split because of the pressure from inside. Now, the first structure that appears from the seed is the radicle. It grows downwards to form taproot. The hypocotyle grows and forms a loop. So initially this will be a loop and eventually it will become straight and it will bring the cotyledon above the ground, and thus it becomes the epigeal type of germination. The cotyledons will too soon turn greenish in color, start photosynthesizing and provide energy to the seed or the seedling. Now, cotyledons are said to be the first green leaves. Once the food is used up, they will wither away or they will fall off as the foliage, and the true leaves will start to appear. Now, coming to the second type of seed, that is the monocot seed. Now, the first step in any type of seed is to swell after absorbing water. But in maize it is different because scutellum will never come above the surface, that is the cotyledon always remains below. So you can see the germination is continuing but the cotyledon is still underground. Now the outermost epithelial layer of the scutellum secretes enzyme. This enzyme will convert the starch present in the endosperm into sugar. The cotyledon or the scutellum helps in absorbing the converted sugar, which is transferred to the main embryo, that is radicle and plumule. Both of them will use it and grow by piercing through the pericarp and the testa. Now if we observe, the hypocotyle remains short and along with cotyledons remains underground. So here our epicotyle will grow faster. The radicle grows down into the soil and forms the primary root. The primary root is very short-lived in case of monocots, and it will be replaced by many adventitious roots which come from the hypocotyle region. So this will persist but the main primary root will disappear. Now they are all attached to the basal nodes of the plumule. Now plumule grows upwards rapidly and breaks through the coleoptile tip. The coleoptile withers after the unfolding of the first foliage leaves because they are rolled up, and this type of germination is termed as the hypogeal germination. Now we are all talking about seed germination and we have to understand what is a seedling. Now if someone asks what is the seedling, it is a stage in the growth of the plant from a seed. It is not fully independent or not fully dependent also. The roots of the seedlings absorb water and minerals from the soil. It leaves starts preparing the food for the young plant. Now the young plant continues to develop into a mature plant. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.